Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some more problems on linear equations. Those are the word problems. The first one is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Okay, so first of all, we will be assuming the present ages of Rahul and Harun. So let Rahul's present age be 5x and Harun's present age will be 7x. Now the question is from where this 5x and 7x came. Just look at the question. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Already we have been given in the ratio, and whenever there is a problem of ratio, what we have to do, we have to remove this ratio sign and put in constant, and here we have used x. So Rahul's age will be 5x and Harun's age will be 7x. Now the question is saying 4 years later means 4 साल बाद, right? So 4 years later Rahul's age will be 4 will be added to the present age of Rahul, so 5x plus 4, and similarly Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. Now according to question, what the question is saying, 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. That is, the sum of the ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years will be 56. So we are knowing 5x plus 4 Rahul's age, Harun's age will be 7x plus 4 after 4 years, and when we are adding these two years, these two ages, we will be getting 56. Now it is a simple problem of linear equation. 5x plus 7x 12x, 4 plus 4 8 equals 56. 12x equals terms will be transposed, so plus will be turning to minus, so 12x equals 48. X will be 48 divided by 12, that will be 4. So Rahul's present age will be 5x. 5 into 4 equals 20 years, and Harun's present age will be 7x. 7 into 4 equals 28 years. Now the problem number 2. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Here again we have to find out Ravi's present age. Let's start the question from this line only, that let Ravi's present age be x. Now what to do? Now it is saying 15 years from now. Again 15 years from now means 15 साल बाद, राइट? तो 15 साल बाद रवि की एज कितनी होगी? रवि की जो प्रेजेंट एज है उसमें हम 15 को ऐड कर देंगे. सो 15 इयर्स फ्रॉम नाउ रवि's एज विल बी द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रवि प्लस 15. सो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रवि वी हैव अज्यूम्ड इट इज x, so x plus 15. So according to question, that the what the question is saying, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age after 15 years. After 15 years Ravi's age will be 4 times of his present age. So x plus 15 equals 4 times. Times means into, 4 into x. So again here is the, you will be transposing the term. X minus 4x will be minus 15. So minus minus should cancel. 3x equals 15. X will be 5. So Ravi's present age will be x, that is will be 5 years. Or the third question is, a man's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Again we are starting it from the question's last line. Let the son's present age be x and father's present age will be 3x. From where this 3 came? Because it is written in question, a man's age is 3 times. 3 times means 3 into x. Okay, so 10 years ago. Here the question is saying ago. Ago means पहले. 10 साल पहले कितनी उम्र एज थी? तो यदि सन की प्रेजेंट एज x है तो पहले के लिए क्या करेंगे? माइनस. सो सन्स एज 10 years ago सन्स एज विल बी x minus 10. Similarly father's age also will be 3x minus 10. Now according to question, what the question is saying, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's present age. So 10 years ago father's age will be 3x minus 10, son's age will be x minus 10. So the father was 5 times to his son's age. That's why 5 will be multiplied. So 3x minus 10, we will be removing bracket, 5x minus 50, then transposing the term, 3x minus 50, sorry 3x minus 5x equals minus 50 plus 10. So minus 2x will be minus 40, minus minus should cancel, so x will be coming 40 upon 2, that is 20. So son's present age will be x equals 20 years and father's present age will be 3x. 3 into 20, that will be 60 years. Okay.